Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am quite well.
Okay, that's great. So today I have brought you here in order to ask you some of the questions, and I want you to share your own experience about the questions which I will ask. So you tell me that how was your journey of your life?
The journey of my life is very interesting
Okay.
because traveling is the part of education and learning center. That is why I love to very much journey.
Okay. So what would you like to talk about your state, Bihar? Why Bihar is not developed as compared to other states?
Bihar is one of the best state in India, but only demerit in the Bihar state that is quite different than that of other states in India. Corruption is most in Bihar.
Okay.
The nature has made Bihar very wealthy, but the people of Bihar are mostly corrupted. Very few persons, ladies and children are innocent, quite innocent.
Okay. So, who would you like to blame? The people or government also? Like if I talk about the PM Modi, okay.
PM,
Uh, if I talk about other states are quite developed states as compared to the Bihar. Like if I talk about the Gujarat is far better than the rest of the states. So why government is not putting the effort to develop the Bihar?
the people of Bihar are very sad to investment their money in the business.
Okay.
That is why the state of Bihar is very, very backward in other states in India because Bihar is not industrial cities and any management of business. But other states in India are very advanced.
Okay. So, have you ever experienced something bad while visiting another states? People, people might have treated you as a Bihari, or you got heartbroken. You got very sad after getting that.
Very few persons are richer than other states in India. Most the people of Bihar, more than 90% people are poor. That is why they move other state for search of their living and other their demanded.
Okay. So, did you experience this kind of the thing or not? Like people might have also treated you as a Bihari and you felt embarrassed after getting this kind of the thing.
Only for corruption.
Hmm. You also experienced the same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes. That is why, but Bihar is educated state in India. No doubt about it.
Okay. So nowadays, if I talk about a lot of things have been already changed. If I talk about in the states of the India, so only few states are there which are still underprivileged, backward. So what would you like to say that how Bihar can be changed?
Under the guidance of Mr. Nitish Kumar, Bihar is progressing by leaps and bounds. Due to young politics in Bihar, the people of Bihar cannot understand the style of living and other factors. That is why the Bihar is undergone bad habits.
So can it be changed or not? As CM Nitish Kumar has already resigned his position. So now do you have any belief that Bihar can also be changed like rest of the states of India? Like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala,
At
Jharkhand.
present time, Bihar is progressing and it is known as New Bihar in India.
Okay.
Bihar is known as Katora of rice in India.
Okay. So means it will be changed by leaps and
Yes,
bounds.
yes.
So do you think that nowadays in India, most of the people are facing with the poverty. So poverty can be changed with the help of education.
Yes, party is possibly changed in Bihar.
Okay? It is not only Bihar but entire country, that is India.
Yes, yes, whole country.
So how it can be changed? With the help of only education is enough to change the entire states, which is the poverty.
Because today is the age of industrial minded and technology is the lunch in entire country. That is why poverty is changed mostly.
Vaidya, thank you so much for your perception towards my questions, and I really felt happy after getting the answers from your end that you shared over the questions that I had. And thank you so much. And guys, as you watch this video, if you like this video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much and let's meet in the next videos.